In EU4, playing as Ulm, a small German city-state, and achieving a world conquest can be quite challenging, but not impossible. Here's a step-by-step approach to help you on your way. 1. Start by focusing on building up your economy and infrastructure. Invest in buildings and technology to increase your income and manpower. 2. Expand diplomatically by forming alliances with stronger nations and taking advantage of their support in wars. Use diplomatic relations to secure more land without warfare if possible. 3. When it comes to warfare, choose your battles wisely. Be patient, use defensive terrain, and wait for your enemies to make mistakes. Take advantage of any wars between your rivals to weaken them. 4. As you grow stronger, aggressively conquer neighboring provinces to expand your territory. Utilize your alliances to deter potential coalitions against you. 5. Use a mix of diplomacy and military strategy to weaken and annex larger powers. Keep an eye on their alliances and attack when they are vulnerable or when you have a significant advantage. 6. Remember to constantly manage your aggressive expansion and keep an eye on the coalitions forming against you. If the threat becomes too great, consider taking a break from expansion and focusing on diplomacy and internal development. 7. Utilize trade and colonization to increase your income and influence across the globe. Control critical trade nodes and establish colonies to expand your reach. Remember, this is just a general guide, and luck and circumstance can play a significant role. Adjust your strategy as needed and be prepared to adapt to different situations. Good luck on your quest for world domination.